I don't know if I, gain more, weight or if I become bigger muscles, but I become a bigger asshole. That's one thing for sure. Because the thing about going for early morning gym is you just
I'm sorry, I wasn't even ready for the punch.
just when you thought things were a bit normal, here we are again. Guys, welcome to the second episode of Local Guys Doing Everything. I'm Kaushik, and with me, wherever he is in the weather,
I am Hari Mukesh.
Hari Mukesh.
What's up, people?
Exactly. And we have somehow made the second episode. I thought we wouldn't. I thought we would get, like we said in the last episode, cancelled. And we're back with some better clarity. Thankfully, some better clarity.
Unfortunately, our pilot worked out, so we're getting a second episode.
That's the thing. And we're back, and as you can see, the production worked for Hari. Where the hell
it went from this to this. I also got a friend of mine whose backside who's really looking at me for some reason. But everything's working out. I got a little bump up. Last time I used the laptop mic, it worked out pretty good, and this time I got a little upgrade so that you guys can hear my good voice. So yes, it is great. It's fun. Finally, we are back. So
my upgrade is I don't look like Mario this time. Hopefully, I have a bit of black hair. I was from 240p 360 now, and for me, for me, what is the highlight was the comment. You saw one comment in the last video from my sister. the only thing offensive about the video is Kaushik's video clarity.
Oh my god! The problem is I know your sister, and like she doesn't comment usually on things. Like it had to be bad when your sister took a offense to that. It's like, oh my god, I can't do this. I need to comment.
The most interesting happening thing in Tamil Nadu right now, I don't think it's happening in Goa, is, as you know, Master is getting released, the Vijay movie. I think it's catching Goa. And so the Vijay, apparently the new Vijay talked to he had a talk with the distributors or something, and they want 100% occupancy in the theater. Like 100%. Everyone's sitting all over. So I was thinking when I saw that, it was like, whenever we go for a movie, or like when you go for a bad movie, they're like, chat, I can't believe I wasted 4 hours on this. Or when you go for a night show, you're like, shit, couldn't we speak for 7 hours for fucking this? This movie is going to be like, one shit all movie. I can't believe this is like. Okay, I put my life on the line for this. So the pressure these guys have on the movie right now.
Oh yeah, man. I mean, I've seen the trailer for the movie. It looks great. I am personally a Tala fan. So I like Vijay. So here's the thing: my brother is a big Vijay fan, and I am a big Ajit fan. So there's always a friction in my house.
We're going to have in the channel. It's going to be an Ajit.
Oh my! That's it. That's it. Done. That's it. This is how we get cancelled.
This is how we're going to get some recognition. Now the comment section join. Ajit Tala fan, super. And like, that's what you picked out the whole thing.
Oh, everybody's in the comments going to be like, see, look how good looking Tala fan is, and look how Talapati fan is looking. I saw it on the news as well that they are increasing the occupancy. I mean,
I think they've kind of overruled it.
But are people really going to go see? I agree, he is Vijay, like he is Ilayya Talapati. But are people literally going to risk their lives to see this? What do you think?
Yeah, I have already seen people putting status like already got the ticket.
What?
And I'm like, advance recipes. Yeah, book first day for sure. I'm like, I'm not seeing you for 14 days. Here's another thing, Hari. What movie do you think is worth risking life and going? Like, movies come in theater, screw Corona, screw Dengue, I'm going watching this. What movies Corona working, pandemic
So
working going.
so if you're asking for like if I know that this is going to be my last movie, there's only one movie that I would watch, which is The Dictator.
Oh yeah.
Let me tell. See, I am a big movie buff. I do appreciate really good movies, but The Dictator is one of the best ever movie to be on this planet. Period. That's it.
I made that up.
I feel, you know who the people I judge right now?
Mm-hmm.
No, I feel the people I should judge are people who don't go for Tenet, saying it's too risky, but are going for Master.
Oh my god.
That's what I'm like.
Oh my Really? Oh yeah, I saw Tenet when I was in so I recently visited Coimbatore. I saw the movie just like the day before I'm going to leave, because I know in Goa I'm not going to go and see. I'm too lazy to get out of my home. I'm in Coimbatore. I took a friend of mine, and then I took Aditya as well.
And that's absolute bullshit, because the reason you saw in Coimbatore, the reason why everyone sees in Coimbatore is because of Tamil Nadu movie prices. Because the weekend rates in Goa are 500, 600 shit and all that. No, but that's actually true.
It is
My
cheaper.
friends who come from Bangalore.
It is cheaper.
Bangalore have that weekend rated shit.
Oh.
So they'll come all the way from Bangalore because of weekend rates, and they go on a movie marathon. I'm like, you want to meet me? Nah. I'm gonna watch Master and Ishwaran, and I'll get back to you.
Oh, I love it.
Did you see the new US Capitol?
Oh, we are going there. Oh my god, I saw it.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Local guys rule everything as political. So my question is, do you think that India they can pull off something like that?
No, here's the thing. In
Do you
India,
think
people are
Taliban
way
can
too
pull off something
lazy.
like that?
No, we can't do that. You know how hard it is. If you visit the parliament today, right? There is a lot of protection. After the parliamentary attacks in India, right? There's a lot of protection available. And I think especially Indians, we like to protest a little bit of violence as well. But we won't storm a parliament to prove a point that we'll sit on the chair of the Lok Sabha. We don't do that. And I personally feel like I don't think we will do that. And because we are lazy in general. We don't we look, everything we do is in an investment perspective. Like before we do this, what will it achieve? That's what we think.
Smart. Very smart, he was.
But I was watching it live. As soon as they started entering, right? Everyone was like, guys, I think we need to go. Someone's who's Trump supporter.
I'm a head out.
But it was so unreal, because US has always been, at least for the past 100 years, has been the torchbearer for democracy.
The measuring stick, yeah.
Yes. So it is really, really unfathomable, but it did happen, and it's sad. It is sad, but in a way, that US is not like a Lad Labak, because we always thought enough Lad Labak. But India, one thing India does better than any other country is the festivals, and very close festival is approaching, especially very close to our hearts, which is Pongal.
Pongirchi. Pongal.
I feel when it comes to Pongal is the first holiday of the year. So by the time you start your new year, you're like, okay, I'm getting the hang to 21. Holidays are out. I'm leaving college already, and then you go back home. The full family is like, you're gonna honor the cows in the house. Kaushik, wake up! God damn!
So here's the thing, I listen to a lot of Tamil music as well, and I love Yogi B's rap, man. I'm such a big fan of rap. People underestimate. I will be on my in my Maruti 800 going to my college, blasting Yogi B on my dumbass speakers on my Maruti 800. Everybody's going, and I love it. I don't think people understand.
I mean, it's not even a joke. I'm like, yeah, that is the proper,
That is
house of proper Tamilika.
yeah,
Not
right.
people who have the name, not if you have the word hip hop in your name, doesn't really make you a rapper, by the way. So talk about any New Year resolutions. How's your gym scene going?
Oh
Some
yes.
gym this year or
Okay.
something?
Yes.
Game? What's a game?
I did join gym. I remember when I started, people don't realize to maintain this kind of body takes effort. My body has a weird thing to food and it doesn't digest. Like it creates fat more than energy, makes me way too lazy. So I have to go to gym and I am resting at a very low pace also. And it's nice. I'm not complaining also. Because when I was in an accident, I maxed out at 125 and now I'm at 112, 111, going back slowly, rolling back.
It's funny because he's fat.
But yeah, man, I mean, I'd never made a resolution to start a gym because whenever I did, I fucked up. And gym scenes in Goa a little bit, like there's gyms being opening, it's really nice, people are coming back in, it's a very healthy. But what's the scene? How is the gym scene in Goa though? It's a gym scene in Coimbatore.
Keep it like this. Like realize this. Everything start doing that. I know if I gain more weight or if I develop bigger muscles, but I become a bigger asshole. That's one thing for sure. Because the thing about going for early morning gym is you just.
I'm sorry, I wasn't even ready for the punch.
I don't know. No,
Yeah, please. How?
seriously, like when any person who goes for early morning gym, have to bring it up.
Oh,
We
boy.
just have to. I feel like if anyone like meets me like texts me after this show, now like hey, like this show, and like tags you like wait after my gym. It's literally I become nobody, absolute nobody. How should I go to gym and fight that anymore?
When I was in Coimbatore, remember in Ramanathapuram, the evenings I had some classes. So the only time I had was from 4:35 in the morning to 6:30 Kalela. And then I have to go back home, get ready to go to college by 9. So I was that guy. And I can totally relate to you being like, Hari, do you want to hang out? And like, no, dude, I got 5:30 gym, dude. I got 5 gym.
Literally that bad. Like even if something happens, you go to a therapist. So when the problem starts, it's like 5:30 morning gym when I started. And doing that first step, I realized where is my life going?
That is, like even the gym trainer is like, இப்போதான் ஜொல்லெல்லாம் தொடச்சிட்டு தலை வந்து என்னப்பா தம்பி ஜிம் பண்றீங்களா சரி அது போய் அங்க வார்ம் அப் பண்ணுங்க தம்பி and I'll be even he's like இப்போதான் போய் brush
What
with
gym master did you have?
I went to Talwarkars.
Oh, sweet is that guy.
He was amazing. Hey, listen. He was actually pretty good. Like he used to be like enna thambi nikku enna
Okay.
No, people again who used to treat me nicely. You know why? I was from the capital G, man. I was from Goa, baby.
கோவா போயிட்டு ஒரு ஃபாரின் ஃபிகரை பார்த்து லவ் பண்ணி கல்யாணம் பண்ணி அப்படியே ஃபாரின்ல செட்டில் ஆயிடலாம்.
The only thing which is more than me talking about gym is this guy talking about Goa.
Oh my god, I love this. Yeah. Nobody, absolutely nobody. Me, bro, I'm from Goa, bro.
Even not Kaushik. I know your meanness. Nobody, absolutely nobody. Not even Kaushik. I'm Goa.
I'm from Goa. It's been amazing talking to you, Kaushik.
Exactly. So exactly, we are going to wrap up this episode by saying yes, I go to 5 in the morning, and
I am from Goa, guys. I am from Goa.
I will see you again next week, same time. So that's me and Hari signing off. 3, 2, 1.